crisscross of these critical places so that we can keep you updated on what's happening there. So we are still going through the profile of the President of the Supreme Court of Kenya, that is Chief Justice Martha Karambo Okome. And so in 2012, she was elected the chairperson of Kenya Magistrate and Judges Association. And fast forward in 2021, she was shortlisted for the Chief Justice position to replace David Maraga, whose tenure came to an end. And apparently, she managed to clinch the position, becoming her nomination was actually approved by the Parliament Committee on Legal Affairs, and she became the 15th Chief Justice and the first female to occupy that office in independent Kenya. So in 2021, the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee, as I told you, vetted